Mastering business operations. Maximize efficiency, reduce waste, and boost productivity by optimizing resource allocation. When evaluating the outputs of our production process, how can we achieve operational excellence by optimizing the allocation and utilization of our key resources, including labor, materials, and equipment, to maximize efficiency, reduce waste, and improve overall productivity? To achieve operational excellence in production, it is essential to optimize the allocation and utilization of key resources, including labor, materials, and equipment. This can be achieved through a combination of strategic planning, process optimization, and continuous improvement. Firstly, it is crucial to conduct a thorough analysis of the current production process to identify areas of inefficiency and waste. This can be done by mapping out the value stream, which involves identifying all the steps involved in the production process and categorizing them into value-added and non-value-added activities. This analysis will help to pinpoint areas where resources are being wasted and identify opportunities for improvement. One key area to focus on is labor allocation. To optimize labor utilization, it is essential to ensure that the right people are assigned to the right tasks, with the right skills and training. This can be achieved through a combination of workforce planning, training and development programs, and performance management systems. Additionally, implementing flexible work arrangements, such as cross-training and job rotation, can help to improve labor utilization and reduce waste. Material usage is another critical area to optimize. To minimize waste and reduce costs, it is essential to implement a just-in-time (JIT) inventory management system, which ensures that materials are ordered and received just in time for production. This approach can help to reduce inventory holding costs, minimize waste, and improve quality. Implementing a total productive maintenance (TPM) program can also help to optimize equipment utilization, reduce downtime, and improve overall productivity. Equipment utilization can be optimized through a combination of preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and reliability-centered maintenance. This involves implementing a maintenance strategy that focuses on proactive maintenance, root cause analysis, and continuous improvement. Additionally, implementing automation and robotics can help to improve equipment utilization, reduce labor costs, and improve product quality. To further optimize resource allocation and utilization, it is essential to implement a performance measurement and feedback system. This involves establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure productivity, efficiency, and waste reduction. Regular feedback and coaching can help to identify areas for improvement and provide incentives for employees to optimize their work processes. Another critical aspect of achieving operational excellence is implementing a culture of continuous improvement. This involves empowering employees to identify areas for improvement and providing them with the training and resources needed to implement changes. Implementing a suggestion scheme, Kaizen events, and continuous improvement teams can help to foster a culture of continuous improvement and encourage employee involvement. Finally, it is essential to establish a continuous improvement mindset throughout the organization. This involves providing training and development opportunities, encouraging experimentation and risk-taking, and recognizing and rewarding employees for their contributions to improvement efforts. Implementing a recognition and reward system can help to encourage employees to identify opportunities for improvement and take ownership of change initiatives. In conclusion, achieving operational excellence in production requires a comprehensive approach that involves optimizing the allocation and utilization of key resources, including labor, materials, and equipment. By implementing a combination of strategic planning, process optimization, and continuous improvement, organizations can maximize efficiency, reduce waste, and improve overall productivity.